Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2K online. First, you'll need to ensure your gaming system, whether it's a console or a personal computer, has a strong and reliable internet connection. This is absolutely crucial for a smooth online experience. Additionally, you'll require an active online subscription service, like PlayStation Plus or Xbox Game Pass Core, depending on your platform. Once these are set, simply launch the NBA 2K game from your system's main menu, and you're ready for the next step. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you've launched the game, you'll find yourself at the main menu. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Play Online section, or perhaps My Team if that's your preference. Within these sections, you'll discover a variety of exciting online modes. You can jump into a quick match for a casual game, or dive into more structured experiences like Pro-Am or the Rec, which offer 5 versus 5 team play. Each mode provides a distinct way to enjoy competitive basketball with other players from around the world. After selecting your desired online mode, the game's sophisticated matchmaking system will begin searching for opponents. It aims to pair you with players who have a similar skill level, ensuring fair and competitive matches. During gameplay, effective communication is key. If you have a headset, use it to coordinate with your teammates, calling out plays or defensive assignments. Remember, basketball is a team sport, so focus on working together, executing your strategies, and making smart decisions on the court to secure those wins. To truly excel in online 2K, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in offline modes honing your shooting, dribbling, and defensive techniques. Knowing your player's specific attributes and tendencies will give you a significant advantage. For instance, understand their best shot zones or defensive capabilities. Finally, and this is crucial, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. A strong connection minimizes lag, which can severely impact your timing and overall performance, making your online experience much more enjoyable and competitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.